at Refugio Beach with the legendary Tom Curran with this boogie board in hand. Waves are looking pretty spicy out there today. Tom, how you feeling?
I'm feeling really, really good. I think I can conquer these waves. I went on out with my buddy Jim earlier. Jim was paddling in on the paddleboard. He lost his sunglasses.
It looked like a terrible wipeout. Terrible wipeout.
Yeah, terrible wipeout there. But my buddy Adam's in the water right now. Yeah, my buddy Alex has a boogie board in hand. It looks like he's getting ready to go on in with me as well.
Excellent.
All right, and time to conquer these waves and see what happens.
Where's Alexander? I don't know.